today I'm going to teach you how to access your Google Slides through your Gmail and how to use some of the tools to create a slides presentation. Questions I get from students are, then they'll be like, Miss Rodrigo, I don't even know where Google Slides is. Signed in, you should be able to go to the right hand corner and find this little area that looks like a keypad and click. Then you come down here to where it says Google Slides and you click. Next you'll get to this screen and you'll click the plus sign to start a new presentation. Once that populates, you'll come all the way to the right where you can pick out what theme you would like. So I'm going to just click this one. Go all the way to the left, you'll see these little plus signs and you can click to add however many slides you want. Just keep clicking. If you have too many slides, you can right click one and delete. You can also right click one and duplicate the slide. How do you share it? In order to share it, you must first save it. So click up here where it says Untitled Presentation, and then you can just put whatever you like. I'm just putting none to keep it short. And then come over here to the orange button and click Share. Then right here, you can put whoever you want. I'm going to just put to my other email. And then you could hit send. Share anyways. And you can email this to your teacher or to a classmate to collaborate with and to finish a project with. If you want to change the layout, you come up here to layout. You have lots to choose from. You can do this one for compare and contrast. Also, you can do this one to just have a picture. Miss Rodrigo, how do I even add a picture? If you would like to add a picture, you go up here, click Insert, Image, search from the web, then come over here. Go, click to the side, and there it is to be finished. Why you should use Google Slides. Save it. You don't even gotta worry about that, should?